Hardings, what is popping? It is me, Kerry, and I'm back with another video. This time it's about New Year's Eve. Bonfire night, not New Year's Eve, and yeah. So we're just gonna go outside and we're gonna see them. See you later. I wanna run, So we're here. You can see the fire.
I just wanna run, ever. I got some beautiful
So they are lighting another one.
Boom!
She's right down here at the window.
Can't see there though, can you? Come here. Sit up properly, come here. Come here. I'm gonna miss it. What's sake? Look to my window.
Stop it.
Let her have a go, and then you can have a go. Look, firework. Look.
What's that?
It's pretty.
Yeah,
it's a sparkler, isn't it?
Why is it doing that? Because if you do two at the same time, it will be easier. But if you
No,
do
Sophia.
three,